In this video, you'll learn how to build a Python application using the Windsurf platform. By the end of this tutorial, you will have created a basic Python app and understand the fundamental steps involved in the process. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your computer, locate the application icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click it to launch. Wait a moment for the application to fully load, ensuring that the main interface is visible before proceeding. Next, look for the agent option in the main menu of the application. This is typically positioned on the left side of the screen. Click on Agent to proceed. After clicking, you should see a new set of options appear, confirming that you've successfully accessed the agent interface. After that, find and click on the New Session button within the agent interface. This button is often highlighted or located prominently for easy access. Once you click it, a new window will open, indicating that you are ready to start a new session. When the new session window appears, you will notice a coding area where you can input commands. At this point, type in the command to create a Python app, which is typically create a Python app. Ensure that you enter this command accurately to avoid errors in the next steps. Once you have typed the command, look for the Enter button, usually located near the coding area. Click on Enter to submit your command. After this action, you should see a confirmation message or some visual feedback indicating that the command has been accepted. Now wait for Windsurf to generate the application based on your input. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the app you are creating and the performance of your system. Be patient and observe any loading indicators or progress bars that may appear during this time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.